Are you ready? Are you ready for the intro? Let's do it together. Hello everybody, it's Lisa. Welcome back. Welcome back to my channel. Welcome back to LGS. Alright, so two things. I'm very excited to unbox this box, but I'm going to tell you a little story first, okay? Because y'all know I'm a wingnut. But you know what? I have proof today that my husband is a wingnut too. So, we go to the water park today. Come home, I get in the shower, getting ready. I'm going to put on my makeup and unbox this box. The power goes out. I'm in my room. And I'm like, oh crap, the power's out. My husband's in the living room. Okay. So we continued to go the last hour and a half with the power out, right? Thinking it's out all across the block. Like there's a power outage somewhere, it's out everywhere, okay? So I'm looking on Twitter. Hydro's got nothing. Veronica sends me the link to put in my postal code. There's nothing on Hydro saying our power is out. So I go out on a patio and I look, and my neighbors have their lights strung up on their balcony. So meanwhile, I tried to make this unboxing video with the little bit of light I had, and as you can tell by my beautiful makeup job, I even tried to do my makeup with a little tiny bit of light that I had in my room. So this is what happens when you're a wingnut. So, go out on the patio, and we're talking like 2 hours in now, an hour and a half, 2 hours in. Go on the patio, the neighbors have lights. I go, honey, did you check the hallway? No. I thought the power was all over the block. I'm like, well, the neighbors have lights. We go open up the door. The power is perfectly working everywhere else in the building, but not in our apartment. Check the breaker. It didn't work. You know, when you got the fuse, you got to push it over. Call the super. He had to go down to the main breaker and press some buttons, and bam, we have power. So the last 2 hours, I've been sitting here freaking out. Made a video, but you couldn't really quite see it. I was half fuzzy, thinking the power was out somewhere in Etobicoke. Maybe someone crashed into a light pole. That happened a few weeks ago. But no, it's just us being a bunch of wingnuts. Didn't bother checking the hallway or calling the super or anything like that first. Just assumed that the power was out. Anyway, that's my wingnut story that proves that my husband's a wingnut too. So, I mean, I could have checked the doorway or the hallway, but I thought he did that already, you know? So, we're going to get into this box. I am very proud and honored to be the first person to unbox this box. This morning, I met with the ladies of this company, the Hutch sisters. Hi, Sandra. Hi, Bobby. I met up with them for the first time ever. They gave me their box to unbox on my channel. I'm so proud. Thank you so much. And I'm going to tell you a little bit about the box before I unbox it. They are Canadian and female. How awesome is that? That is so cool. We keep on saying we need more Canadian boxes because, you know, there's a lot of boxes in the U.S. that we cannot get, or shipping is $65. I honestly looked into a box last week, and shipping to Canada was $65. Honest to God, no joke. So we have a new Canadian box and a new Canadian lifestyle box. This box is going to come out every 2 months. This box that I'm unboxing here is a limited edition box. Once it's sold out, they will not have any more. And this box is a preview to the subscription box that's coming out October 1st. If you sign up for this box, you are automatically signed into the October box, the actual subscription box in October, but you can cancel after, you know, October 1st. I believe once the payment's taken out for the October box, you can cancel. You have there's no commitment. All right. Oh my goodness. I feel like such a wingnut, you know, such a wingnut, because the box was so beautifully put together, and you're not going to see how beautifully put together it was, because I'm a wingnut. I should have just waited, you know, or opened up the door to the hallway, but you know what I'm like. Okay, it's called the Brown Paper Packages. So this one here is a limited edition box. It is $59.99. Shipping is $13.99. It is available in Canada and the US. Shipping will go down once they get more subscribers. Shipping will go down. You will find all about this box, and I went on their website. They have other boxes I didn't even know at thehutchsisters.com. I'm going to leave their link down below in my description box. I mean, they have a custom box, a spa holiday box, college life essentials box, under the water box, move in it. Oh, under the weather box, not under the water. I can't read my writing here. Under the weather box, a move in a day box, and in 2020 they're coming out with a makeup subscription box. It's called Get the Look. There is also a new makeup company, a Canadian makeup company coming out. Stray Cat is what the company is called, and all of their products are going to be exclusively in the Hutch Sisters boxes. How cool is that? Okay. The two women are on the box, like I said. They are from Toronto. Moms, you know, just making their dreams happen. The boxes are specializing in custom-made. They specialize in custom-made gift boxes. They try to include as many locally made, locally owned, fair trade, and ethnically responsible products as possible. The next box is shipping out October 1st. So if you sign up for this one, you're automatically signing up for October 1st box, but then you can cancel after that. The first 25 people to order will get a Innis fragrance sample. One lucky person is going to receive a 2019 Canadian collectible coin set valued at $21.95. And very important, if you use the code LGS, not an affiliate link, it's not a discount code, I don't get anything from this, but if you use the code LGS, your box will be shipped out like bam, baby. As soon as payment is processed, your box is gone. It's in the mail. It's done. It's out. You're getting it. And anything else? I think that's everything that I was supposed to say. So, brown paper packages is what the lifestyle box is called. Remember, it's every 2 months. All right, we're going to get into the box now that my lights are back on. You know, sometimes in this house it takes a lot to get the lights back on. You know, it comes like this, and it was beautifully wrapped. I'm going to kind of, sort of, hopefully kind of show you what it was like when I opened it up. I'm just going to take the card out. So it had like this beautiful little flower laid on top, and then it had this, the brown wool thread. I know there's a word for it, but rope wrapped around it. And then you open the box, and inside the box came the pamphlet, all about the information, and it's in Canadian dollars. Again, this box is for Canada and the US, and all the items inside. And again, it's a lifestyle box. Okay. Anything else that I should mention? Oh, Lord, I can't believe I went through all of that in a damn car. Wouldn't even out in the city, just in this house, you know. Sometimes that's the way we are. The lights are out often. You know what I mean? Okay. So, I'm going to grab, the first thing is a Margaritaville. Isn't there a song, Margaritaville? I don't know what it is, but I'm sure if I heard it, I could sing it, but I don't know right now. So, a margarita mix. Oh, and there's a theme to this box. It is beachy days and glossy nights. And the theme for the October box is going to be fall into the routine. All right, so we have a margarita mix, which is pretty cool. $4.99 is the price of this. Then we have the Innis, the Energy of the Sea, and this is what I like about this box. I'm going to read it out to you. This is so cool. It is a lotion, revitalizing body lotion, 85 ml, and I want to read this. So Innis is the Irish word for island and was inspired at Roundstone Beach on the western coast of Ireland. Innis is the core funder of the Irish whale and dolphin group dedicated to the protection, conservation, and better understanding of whales and dolphins in Irish waters and around the world. The value of this is $12. I can smell this already. It smells really nice. Oh, it's got that really nice, clean, fresh smell. That smells really pretty, actually. I like that. Okay. Like it. I like that smell. It's got that, like, you want to continue smelling it. It smells nice. Okay. The next thing in this box is Me to We Rafiki bracelet. The value of this bracelet is $10, and I think I destroyed it when I took it out the first time. I think I might have broken it or something, because I think you're supposed to wrap it around your arm like that. I'm not sure. It's a bracelet, and I think I wrecked it, but you know, oh, maybe you just wrap it around. Okay, like this. That is pretty. I'm hoping I did this right. Please forgive me, Bobby and Sandra, if I didn't. Anyways, in Swahili, Rafiki means friend. Handmade in Kenya, this bracelet helps give back to their community by providing clean water to stay healthy and avoid waterborne illnesses. And the value of this is $10, and you're giving back, and I just think that's wonderful. All right. Next we have, and oh my God, I almost died when I smelled this the first time, Skinlicious Soaps, Pineapple Sugar Body Scrub. The value of this is $13.25, and I know, oh my God, oh, I can't smell it. Like, you need to smell it. Smell that. Seriously, I wish you can smell it. It smells so good. It smells like the freshest pineapples. I want to eat it. Okay, get your skin beach ready with this exfoliating body scrub in a yummy pineapple scent, handmade in Canada, with all natural ingredients in a reusable container. And you can just run this through the dishwater washer when it's empty. It smells divine. You should smell it again. Smell. I know you want to. Close your eyes. Imagine the smell of fresh pineapple, and that's what it smells like. Oh, I can't wait to use this. You know, I've never used a body scrub before, because I would always get the coffee ones, and I don't like coffee, so I would never use them. I'm sure there's another way that I'm supposed to put this bracelet on, but you know, I'm a wing nut. Okay, so the next thing in this box is a scarf. Striped scarf. Use it as a sarong during the day, or wrap around your shoulders or neck on cooler summer nights. And a portion of this company's proceeds supports the restoration of waterways and shorelines, and the value of this is $19. Oh, that's pretty. Nice and pretty. Isn't that nice? I love the colors. All right, I'm getting all fancy up in here today. I'm just going to put this around me like this. I don't know how to, you know, I don't really know how to wrap. You know when you see them on TV and they got it all wrapped around as, see what a wingnut moment? You know what I mean? Like, it's wrapped around your body all pretty and stuff. I don't know how to do that. It just looks way too complicated. But there's videos showing you how. I'm sure one of you ladies can show me how to do it. Okay. The next thing in this box is Stray Cat Cosmetics Galactic Lip Gloss in Frisky. This is exciting. We have a new Canadian makeup company. I am so excited. I cannot wait. Love, love, love it. This is what it looks like. It's a lip gloss. Isn't that pretty? Shimmery little lip gloss. This is $24. Stray Cat donates a portion of their profits to animal charities. Oh, how cool is that? And it's lip gloss, so I'm just going to see if I can swatch a little bit right here. I don't know if you can really see it. Let's see. It's like a, I'm trying to so you can get kind of like the color. Kind of, sort of. Where are my mirrors at? Oh my goodness, what a mess I got going. I still can't believe that we went a whole freaking almost 2 hours thinking the power was out in Toronto somewhere, and it wasn't. It was in a, oh, it's a pink. It's got like this, can you see it? Pink shimmer. I like it. Nice, and it's not sticky. You know how some of those glosses you get stick and your hair sticks on it? I don't like that. But this one is nice. It's not sticky. Okay, what else we got? What else we got in this box? You know, when I'm done filming, this is like 9 o'clock now. I have to go make dinner because, you know, tired, whatever. All right, so the last thing in this box, and this is adorable. Wow, and it's big too. Holy cow. Look at this. It's a tote. It is a pineapple print tote bag. Value of this is $25. And a portion of this company's proceeds supports charities that work directly towards protecting, preserving, and restoring waterways. And this is very sturdy. I love this. I think I'm going to keep this. It's got the zipper right there. I think I'm going to keep this for when we go to Jamaica, maybe. I mean, I can always bring it to the water park, but I don't want to get wrecked, you know? So I think I'm going to keep that for when we go to Jamaica. I think that's going to be perfect. All right, recap. So we got the tote. We got this delicious pineapple body scrub. We got this body lotion. It smells divine. We got the Margarita fill mix. And we got the Stray Cat lip gloss. That's so cool. I cannot wait to see what products they come out with. We also got the bracelet. We got the scarf. And I think that was everything, right? Yep, that's it. So don't forget, I am going to post their link down below. Use code LGS for Bam Bam shipping. You'll get it shipped as soon as the process of your payment is processed. You get this box shipped. So that's pretty awesome. Again, this box is limited edition. Once it sells out, it's gone. It's $59.99. But remember, if you're signing up for this box, you are going to be subscribed to the October subscription box called Brown. Where'd that sheet go? I don't want to say it wrong because you know I will. Brown paper packages. Don't forget, everyone, please like my video if you're new to my channel. Please subscribe. Hit that notification bell. That way you won't miss any of my videos. I do have a 1,000 subscriber giveaway happening right now. I will leave that video right here. Sign up, enter. It's an awesome giveaway, and I do have extra surprises in that box that y'all don't know nothing about because I can't show you everything. And I'm going to be here with the lights on. And remember that the next time the lights go out, we should check the hallway first. Bye. Love you. And thank you so much again, Sandra and Bobby. I'm so honored. Thank you. Mwah.